To me, oh, the son of who you are. All that I give, you must follow. Assignments must be done under my roof. If you prove it to me, oh, the son of who you are. All that I give, must follow. Assignments must be done. Hey, hey. Assignments must be done. Hey. To be a child of God is not by the mouth, not by appearance, but by passing through the wilderness. Ordinary men who are not fully in Christ can't withstand this test. You must be buried in Christ to be a proof for God. Proving to be a child of God is not by the mouth, not by appearance, but by passing through the wilderness. Ordinary men who are not fully in Christ can't stand the test. You must be buried in Christ to be a proof for God. This man lights my strength, my protection. To whom shall I fear? When evil men arise against me to the fall, they will stumble and fall yakata. Hey. Trust in Him. He's a faithful God to those who lean on Him. He's a faithful God. He's a faithful God. He's a faithful God to those who trust in Him. He's a faithful God to those who lean on Him. He's a faithful God, He's a faithful